Storm outlook today definitely does include us here in southern Nevada. As a matter of fact, with a little increase in the amount of humidity in place, we will run the risk of some pop-up storms each day, at least over the next 3 to 4 days, and perhaps even a little longer than that. Outside, though, things are currently mainly clear. It's 88 degrees, which is not too bad, but the dew point 61, and that means that as we warm up from the 80s back into the low 90s by 9 o'clock this morning, you will feel the humidity in place. Temperatures will climb into the triple digits after lunchtime. Probably right around lunchtime we'll be hitting 100, and look for highs near 107 this afternoon. A couple degrees above average, but I think the bigger weather story, it will not be the intense heat. Yes, it is going to be very hot, but the big weather story will be the potential for some localized areas of flooding. With all this humidity in place, we had some really heavy downpours yesterday afternoon. They were mainly back toward Red Rock Canyon and down along the 15 near Good Springs. Both of those areas had flash flood warnings yesterday. So here's how this will play out. Early afternoon, some storms over the mountains, including the Spring Mountains to our west and possibly the mountains down to the south of Henderson. Those storms send out outflow boundaries. They're little pushes of wind, and that can organize new storms. That may happen as early as 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon in southern or western parts of the valley. Now, really any part of town is fair game for a passing shower or storm through the afternoon, but I do think that the western and southern parts of Las Vegas perhaps have a little higher chance than the other parts of town. Here's the same time frame, midday into the early afternoon, just a bigger view, and you can see some of those storms firing up over the mountains and then possibly leading to some new storms here in the valley this afternoon. I do anticipate a bit of a pattern change, a little drier air Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so mainly just some mountain storms for this upcoming weekend. Our temperatures will remain below 110 degrees all week long and next weekend. We had 6 days in a row where we were above 110 last week, so at least we're going to keep it a little closer to average temperature-wise. But yes, I mean, over the next 4 afternoons, today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, I think at least a few downpours with some pretty heavy rain will remain in the forecast.
Ooh,